You guys typically see me and my mom painting, DIYing, updating homes, furniture, cabinets, whatever it may be. Well, this is a new one for us. We bought an abandoned building. So now we are cleaning it out, clearing all the contents, which has a lot of trash, but there are some good pieces in there too.
Yep.
Now that we have it all cleared out, we are addressing the real issues. Structural.
Something caught on fire back here, and yeah, big problem.
All right, guys, it's another day. It's supposed to be nice this week. I am ready to get in here and start demoing and getting some of this like ceiling and then this back wall, the fabric, all that stuff out so I can see what we want to do in here, what walls we need to build, and yeah, what electrical we need to start running. But to do that first, I have to move a stove out and a bunch of other items so I can actually start pulling stuff down. The ceiling is really nasty. Like I had said in my previous video, there must have been a fire in here because all of the ash and the soot is down on top of the foam ceiling tiles. So I'm gonna wear a respirator. You probably won't be able to hear me, but you can watch me clean this up. And yeah, I gotta wear a hat too because I don't want to nasty up my hair that bad. Okay, hat is on, hair is back. My outfit is brought to you today by my husband because he washed my other work pants, my overalls, and these are his. They're a little big, but they'll work for today. So I am gonna move stuff out and then place it over here. I gotta kind of sweep over here first, and then we will get started on the ceiling. So these were in here, and they are some kind of neat, I guess, support corbels. Yeah, if you guys have any ideas that I could use these, I have 4 of them. There's 2 of different sizes, but I thought they would be beautiful somewhere in this event place. Okay, that's all the wood. Okay, now I'm gonna try to move the stove out. Furniture for a living, so it's okay. Now I need to move these black doors. First, I'm gonna clean up this stuff behind me. I'm definitely gonna need a dust mask, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on. Now I'm good to go.
Do that except when. No, I'll help you do what.
Blackened wood.
Oh.
Yum. Yum. My daughter nests all on this light fixture.
That ain't hurting nothing.
Yeah. That's
Look
good
out,
for there.
that's gonna fall. Debbie, look out,
Yeah.
that's gonna fall.
And get my
Don't get under
goggles.
it.
Where's my goggles?
So in walks Roger, and he just gets up on the ladder. He even has his good clothes on and starts helping me pull the ceiling down. And before I know it, we're onto the bathroom wall and completely tearing it down. I didn't expect to get all that done today, so I'm really thankful for Roger that he came in and helped me. But I call him the buzzsaw, and you'll see why in just a little bit when he starts hammering away on the sink and the toilet. He went through these whole walls like they were nothing, which he is like 6'3", so he's a little bit bigger than me, has a little more strength, but it was fun to watch, and I was just thankful that he came and saved the day. So Roger is a
vendor in our store, and he's always there to help us with any projects that we have going on in our store. He actually helped me with my bathroom and built our cabinets for us. So if you don't have a Roger in your life, you need to get one. He's great for whenever I need advice on things.
Is that what you wanted me to do?
I guess. Hey, can I do that next time? I'm gonna take some aggression out.
You want me to hit it?
Yep.
Break it?
Yep.
There you go.
Keep it going. You're not done.
I'm not. I don't want to bust you. Well done.
You chose that method. We could have just took it out.
Nah.
Hey guys, here is the update. Got all that out. We are waiting on a pry bar, probably gonna go eat lunch, but then we still have all this to do over here too.
Oh my gosh, we got way more done today than what I thought. We stopped for lunch and then we just came back. We're gonna finish up this side here today. I work on the other side, I don't know. We'll see how we are on energy. But yeah, Roger came today and saved the day.
There was so much termite damage behind these walls and the bathroom walls. I don't know if it was just from the leaks or just not taking care of the building being maintained over time. Just termite just spread, and it spread all the way to our wood floors, our beautiful wood oak floors in the main area. I will show you guys that next week. I went ahead and ended the video on this first side, this first demo, and then the next day we went in and demoed the other side where the storage room will be, but I didn't want to make the video super long for you guys, but you'll see that next week, so it's coming soon. So I want to show you guys some befores and some afters of the stuff that we did today. First walk back here. The wood panel is gone. The bathroom is completely out, and we have a window up there we've got to fix. I'll show you guys the bathroom from this point of view too. The termite damage was so bad. It is no joke. If you get termites, you guys better treat them quickly, because I mean, this has all got to be replaced in this window, and we're gonna close up the window. We're not gonna keep it because this is gonna be a bathroom anyways, but I still have a lot of cleaning. You can see the burn up there from the previous owners. I had to clean a lot of the soot off the wall, and the paint is just flaking off. So I'm gonna take a scraper and scrape what I can, but I'm also we're gonna do, let's see, the bathroom to right here, and then this rest of it will be kitchen. So this will be a sink wall right here where we can have a kitchen sink and cabinet, and then it'll be all open up here. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this content, let me know in the comments. If you have time, please subscribe. It helps our channel grow and reach more people who love DIY just like we do. And if you want to follow us on our social media, you can find us at Flipping Lemons on Instagram and Facebook. And our store page is Lemons and Lace Marketplace.